Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators, and this is the market update for Thursday, January 6, 2022. As you can see that the trading had been volatile for yesterday and today after the Fed meeting notes. Then the Fed pointed to faster rate increase, so that's why the interest rate is start increasing to respond to the Fed news. So you see that the technology stock gets a high hit, and the short-term market is still choppy around, but the long-term is still remain bullish. As you can see that in the last couple months, every time the market is new high, they pull back. Every time they make a new high, they pull back. So this one, they make a new high, they pull back. So technically, the trend is still in the uptrend. So as long as they are still high, low here, the trend is still confirmed in the uptrend. Okay, so the market cannot go straight up, so they go up and then they pull back, which is a normal how the market doing at this moment. So we have to trade a little bit caution. So let's see it in the next couple of days, the market be able to follow support and then pull it back up again. And if you look at the Nasdaq it get hit hard by a lot of FANG-MANG stock. As you can see that the big cap stock, Apple, Amazon, Google, they all get hit hard. But now they get back to the support area here. So let's see they can hold on to this level. They will just be sideways for the last couple of months here. So they go up, down. So they will stick in the rainbow here. So we'll see they'll be able to hold up and put it up again. If you look at the Dow Jones Industrial Average, Dow Jones is pretty strong. They make an all-time high, so they pull back. They still hold on very tight to this level here, with a benefit of a lot of energy stock and the bank stock. They and the Dow Transportation, so they have this stock is pretty strong there. If you look at the Russell 2000, the Russell 2000 is still rainbow between the upper bow and lower bow here. So right now they pull back yesterday, so today they try to buy back. Let's see tomorrow they can keep momentum and push it up again. If you look at the Dow Transportation, it also still choppy around here. If they can clear that area here, then they can move it back up again. If you look at the crude oil, as you can see here, they try to break out this level here and continue to put it up to test the upper bow level here again. So that's why you see a lot of stock that move up very fast there. And the gold also choppy after they hit to the sell zone here, and then they pull back down again, but they are still sticking in the rainbow here. If you look at the Bitcoin is still try to looking for the support it's around here. Okay, so let's see they can hold on to that level before they can break a downtrend line and revert to the upside. Same thing like Ethereum, they pull back to the moving average here, so they still hold tight at this level. Let's see they can find a support somewhere here and then looking up again. If you look at the volatility index, you see that on Wednesday after the Fed announcement, they shoot it back up, and today early in the morning they shoot it back up, and then they coming down. So the VIX still remain high as long as the people still fear of inflation, and after the Fed meeting there. So let's see it tomorrow if they come down, and the market will fight away up again. That's why you look at a lot of big cap stock they hit hard, like Apple, Amazon, right? Google, Microsoft, okay, Netflix. They fall off the cliff here, so the momentum will remain bearish for the Netflix. But a couple of strong stocks they'll be able to hold up and bounce, like Facebook today, okay. So some of the software sector look like they try to stabilize and turn around. Okay, so we will look at that in a little bit. Let me see here. Okay, so now let's take a look on the sector. As you can see here, couple of sector it used to be very strong, but now the people that taking profit like a material, so that's why you have to be careful in here. The communication sector, they fall off, but they try to hold on to this support. If this one be able to push it back up, they will find a way to shoot it back up again. The energy sector, you can see it pretty strong there with a lot of socket. They are moving up very well. I show you CNQ, right? And a couple of sockets still very strong there. CLR, right? So all those sockets pretty strong there. EOG, as you can see here, those sockets keep continue to go up. Even FANG, Diamondback Energy, they also pretty strong. They break out the big bay and very strong there. And as you can see here, financial sector, which is another sector, is pretty strong. Right now, they penetrate in this level. If they can clear this resistance here, okay, and if inflation keep go up, the interest rate go higher, they will have the bank stock to break out this level. So watch out for that. And you can see that some stock that I mentioned to you, like SBNY, this one that we highlight for you a while ago. This one is still pretty strong. Today they take up even stronger to the upside. KRE, the regional bank, they're still doing very well there. JB Morgan, so they thought try a way to put it up again. In terms of technology, okay, XLK, as you can see them, they get hit hard, but right now they're right at the level of support. This is the important level for them to hold up in order to put it higher. But some of the stock here still try to looking for the bottom, and if they can hold up to the level, we're looking for some short-term rebound there. Okay, like Facebook, the one we showed you earlier. Okay, IGV. Okay, that's another one that let's see it. They looking for the support to buy back up. And some talk like BYND, Beyond Mid. This one here, they fall off the cliff after they have a good news. They're going to work with a Kentucky Fried Chicken, and then they fall up yesterday, but today the buyer stepped back in. So short term, probably looking for a rebound there. Okay, so another strong sector is industrial. Industrial is very similar to financial, and they try to find a way to break out this level. So we watch out here. If they can clear that area, it's still very strong. But some stock like FedEx still try to find a way to punch to that level. Cabatella, that's another one that's looking for the way to break out here. So if the market is continue to push back up, those stocks they will break out and lead the market to the upside. Okay, consumer stable, pretty strong, but I think it's too far to extend it. So people will take some profit at this level. So watch out for that. The real estate it also pulled back, but they have a strong support here because interest they go higher. But today they're looking for some support and looking for some short-term rebound there. The utility, that's another defense stock. People take profit when they hit to the top here. Okay, the healthcare is still in the correction here. So if the Omicron virus is not a serious problem, so the stock they will pull back down a little bit here. Okay, XLY, which is another consumer, this one they get a problem with the sales on. Now they pull back here, so let's see they can hold on to this level and find a way to put it back up. Otherwise, they will come down and test the buy zone there. Okay, so should overall the market is still hang tight there, even though they drop up after the Fed announcement. So let's see, and then today they look stabilized. So tomorrow we need a strong candle to put it back up in order for the bull to continue, or they will go sideways here a little bit before they can looking for to push it up again. Okay, so I think and that at this moment that all we have for you. But if you're busy, you can subscribe to our Watchlist Premium Watchlist, where we handpick, okay, stock daily, depending on market condition, so that we can analyze the entry and exit, so that you can follow along. Okay, so I hope that you enjoy my analysis. So please don't forget to click the thumb up like button below. Thank you for watching, and then I will update for you on the this is a short week, so we will update the weekly market for you on Sunday. So looking forward to that. Okay, so take care and have a nice weekend, everyone.